So, hi there. We're currently looking at chocolate inserted into a very strange thing. Can you tell me a little bit more what we are seeing here?
So this is a 3D printer that is a multi-material 3D printer that at the moment we are specializing in food. Why food? Because it's a very big challenge to print food. The viscosity of the materials, the whole complex system of making something that will taste good as well, not just the presentation, is our goal to reach. For us to achieve this, we realize that we cannot just have the technical part. We need real chefs to collaborate with us. So in every city that we move to, we contact people before we arrive, before we do our venue in a 3D print show, local chefs that can come and share their knowledge and somehow merge with us to come with an end result that is not just attractive but tasty. At this venue, we've been trying 5 to 6 different products, consumables. We started with the first trial of foie gras, duck liver, and it amazingly came tasty, and the presentation was quite good as well. Last experiment we're doing is with jelly, is fruit jelly made out of lychee. And we can add any color we want to it, and the composition is really wobbling, and it's a very, very, very special feeling in your mouth.
Who is this printer aimed at? Who should buy this?
This printer is aimed at the consumer market, at the end consumer market, but also as an industrial, which will be a chef, for example. It's a multi-material printer, therefore I can change the nozzle in 30 seconds. It goes by a magnetic, so it's very easy to replace it, and I'm printing from chocolate, I pass to PLA. From PLA I can print also ABS, and we're working in a concept of a granulate extruder, which will decrease the price in about 40 to 50% compared to filament. Plus you can use any multi-material you want, and the end result is better definition than what we can achieve right now.
How fast is the printer? How fast can I print, let's say, a chocolate thingy?
We all struggling with the same problem. Printers are slow. 3D printing is slow at the moment. We vision a future where it will be faster than the human hand. At the moment, it can't be compared. So our approach to it is we make a concept, we'll make a product concept, and if we really like it, we immediately make a mold. So we can make as many as we want from that one. So there's 2 approaches to do it, or one single item which will be like an art piece almost, and if you like it, you start to make molds. You make a mold out of ABS, the positive, and you make silicone eating, food silicone that can be used as mold.
How complex is it for a chef? Because you usually have to have cut knowledge. Is it complex to do the first designs on this one?
It's very complex. The designs are same as any other printer. You can use different platforms, SolidWorks, Slick 3D, any other program. So our approach to it is that if we sell the printer to a chef, we will give him, for example, 1 year that he can give us any idea he has, or by draw, or by picture, or just by mentioning it, and we will produce the STL file for him free. After that, we will create a cost price per item or packages that will be attractive for the chef to remain working with us. Although we can also download any STL online and use it in the printer.
Thank you very much. That's great. Thanks.